You've made it through security. You found your seat by the window. But there's something that can turn a smooth flight into silent tension. Your flight attendants. They're trained to smile, to stay calm, to serve you. But behind that calm face, they have a list of things that secretly drive them crazy. So if you want better service and fewer eye rolls, here are 15 things flight attendants secretly hate and how to avoid them. 1. Using the bathroom during boarding. It seems harmless. You step onto the plane and make a quick run to the bathroom. But here's the thing, boarding is timed. Flight attendants are under pressure to get everyone seated fast. When one person ducks into the lavatory, it slows the whole process. It holds up the line. It messes with seat counts. And yes, it annoys the crew. Plus, those bathrooms are being cleaned and restocked during boarding. You're stepping right into their workspace. Solution? Use the restroom at the gate before you board. It's bigger, cleaner, and no one's watching you with raised eyebrows. 2. Carrying too much luggage. We've all seen that one passenger. A roller bag, 2 backpacks, a giant neck pillow, maybe a shopping bag too. And then comes the struggle shoving it all into the overhead bins. Not just over their seat, but over yours. And someone else's too. Overhead space is limited. When one person takes more than their share, someone else loses out. And the flight attendants, they're left to play suitcase Tetris. Stick to one carry-on and one personal item. Use the space under your seat. And don't toss your backpack in row 9 if you're sitting in row 22. Respect the space. It helps everyone. 3. Bringing strong smells into the cabin. You might not notice it, but everyone else will. Egg salad sandwiches, leftover curry, or shoes that should have stayed on. An airplane is a sealed tube. Whatever you smell, everyone else does too. There's no escape from stinky feet or spicy food. The crew can't say anything, but trust me, they notice. If it wouldn't pass the church pew test, it doesn't belong on a plane. Bring neutral snacks. Use deodorant. And if you take your shoes off, make sure your socks are fresh. 4. Zoning out during drink service. The movie's on, your headphones are blasting. You're in your zone. And suddenly there's a hand waving in your face. Your flight attendant is asking if you want a drink. No one's saying you need to chat. But be present. Take off one ear cup. Make eye contact. It shows respect. And it keeps the line moving. They're not interrupting your piece. They're offering you ginger ale. Don't make them work harder than they have to. 5. Asking to switch seats mid-flight. You spot an empty row and think, score. But asking to switch mid-air? That's not so simple. Flight crews have to keep track of where everyone is. It affects weight balance, emergency plans, and even food orders. If you wanted space, book it. Or hope for a lucky gate change. But once the wheels leave the ground, your seat is your seat. Don't play musical chairs at 30,000 feet. 6. Ignoring the seatbelt sign. Turbulence hits. The ding sounds. And someone gets up to grab a bag from the overhead bin. Bad idea. Even the flight attendants buckle up during rough air. If they're sitting, so should you. Getting up during bumps is dangerous. You could fall, or get hit, or knock into someone else. Unless it's an emergency, stay put and ride it out. Your bag of chips can wait. 7. Overusing the call button. Need water? That's fine. Need a blanket? Sure. But pressing the call button every 5 minutes? Not so fine. Flight attendants are keeping track. They're not ignoring you, they're managing real needs first. The call button isn't a doorbell. Use it when it counts. Don't treat it like a buzzer on a game show. 8. Not reading the menu. You've had time. You flip through the menu twice. Now the drink cart rolls up and you say, so what do you have? It's not the worst thing, but it slows everything down. The crew is on a schedule. The cart needs to move. Know what you want. Be ready. And if you can't decide, say, surprise me. Flight attendants love that. Really. 9. Treating trash like it's invisible. The trash bag comes around. Instead of using it, you shove your napkins into the seat back pocket. Don't do that. That pocket isn't a mini garbage can. It's for magazines and safety cards. And someone else will have to clean up after you. Hold on to your trash. Wait for collection. And never hand over garbage during drink service. It's not the same as the trash run. 10. Ignoring the safety demo. You've flown before? You know the drill. Seatbelt clicks. Life vest under the seat. Still pay attention. Every plane is different. Emergencies are rare, but they happen. And in that moment, the demo could save your life. Listening costs you nothing. It shows respect. And it might help you or someone else someday. 11. Touching flight attendants to get their attention. This one's serious. A tap on the arm? Maybe. But grabbing someone's waist or leg? Absolutely not. Would you grab a waiter at a restaurant? No? Then don't do it in the sky. Use your voice. Wave. Use the call button. Keep your hands to yourself. Always. 12. Filming crew without permission. You saw a viral video of flight drama. Now you're thinking about recording something too. Don't. Filming crew members without consent is rude and risky. It can escalate a small problem into a big one. If you have a complaint, report it later. Don't make YouTube drama at 35,000 feet. This is a workplace, not a reality show. 13. Blocking the galley. You stretch your legs. You walk to the back. You stop by the galley and start scrolling your phone. It seems harmless, but it's the only workspace the crew has. They prep meals there. Handle emergencies. It's their version of a kitchen. Don't hang out in it. Take a lap. Then head back to your seat. 14. Ignoring descent announcements. The plane is landing. The crew says, seat backs up. Tray table stowed. But your seat stays tilted. Your tray stays out. You pretend not to hear. Or pretend to sleep. But the flight attendants know. And, it's not a debate. It's safety. Just sit up. Be ready. Don't argue with physics. 15. Leaving a mess behind. The flight's over. You grab your bag and go. But your seat looks like a crime scene. Crumbs, wrappers, tissues. Maybe use stir stick. Flight attendants have to turn that plane around fast. Sometimes in 30 minutes or less. Help them out. Clean up your space. Leave it better than you found it. A clean seat is a classy exit. Bonus tips. Window seats are colder. Love the view? Great. But window seats are colder. That's real. The outside air is freezing. That chill seeps in. So bring a hoodie or ask for a blanket. Easy fix. Skip the hot drinks, coffee and tea. Maybe think twice. The water used comes from tanks that aren't cleaned often. Some flight attendants won't drink it. That says a lot. Go for bottled water or juice instead. Watch out for germy spots, the dirtiest places on the plane, not the bathroom. It's the tray tables and seat back pockets. People change diapers there. Leave trash. Bring wipes. Don't put food directly on the tray. And definitely don't reach into that pocket blind. Conclusion. So now you know. These are the little things that annoy flight attendants and your fellow passengers too. But here's the good news. They're easy to fix. Be courteous. Be aware. And your next flight will be a whole lot better. If you learned something today, hit that like button. Share this video with your favorite travel buddy. And subscribe for more real talk from the skies. Fly smart. Stay chill. And please leave the tuna sandwich at home.